Welcome to this week's Moving Tip Monday. This week, we're going to talk about propane safety. Now that the weather's cooling down and tailgate season's picking up, we want to make sure that you're using your propane safely. When refilling your tank, a trained U-Haul team member will check it for leaks, and if a leak is present, bubbles will form. Another sign of a leak is a distinct rotten egg smell. So, if you notice a leak with bubbles or a distinct rotten egg smell, immediately take your tank, shut off the valve, put it in the well, clear, ventilated area, and call your local fire department. Whenever possible, try to refill your tank. But if you're going to get rid of it, make sure you recycle it and never throw it away with your household trash. If you do, it can end up in a garbage truck and the tank can cause an explosion due to the compression of the truck. If you have no idea where to recycle your tank, just call your local fire department. They know. When you're done using your propane tank, make sure you turn off the release valve and the burner control to avoid any potential leaks. And it never hurts to double or even triple check yourself. When storing your propane tank, never leave it in your car and never bring it inside. Because if you do, it can potentially raise the temperature of the tank, which is extremely hazardous. Only store your tank outside in an open, dry, and well-ventilated area away from anything potentially flammable. Whether you're grilling, using a heater, or just staying warm by the fire, we always want to make sure that you're using your propane safely. So for more propane tips, visit us at movinginsider.com and share your tailgate day photos with us using the hashtag U-Haul Famous. Happy moving!